Hello, this is Bruno. I believe that people who watching these videos is based on two things. The first thing is who would like to join is the IT industry as a full stack developer or web developer. And the second thing is you might be having some ideas to build your own website, no matter that is a blog, whether that is forums, or even that is e-commerce, or exactly as a games, dynamic games also okay. However, there will be so many trouble when you are thinking like this because you have like syntax difficulties as well as for the beginners, a lot of PHP code that you might not be very familiar. And the second thing is a lot of problems that you are being facing, especially for the bugs. I'm not quite sure that if that is if you are still working on the program right now, but if you are facing problems while you're doing the or acting the programming or coding, you are very good now because we are able to help. The last but not least is the full stack developments and then the AI era. It seems to be a big question mark to all of us because it should be quite hard. It should be quite hard to get job opportunities, or will we get kicked out or eliminated by AI? Of course, that won't be. That won't be because you can use framework for the full stack development. You don't need to write down the code, but set up the code from the very beginning. And then you can use AI to accelerate your codings, accelerate your project. So which means that once the AI comes, full stack development from very easy as you can consider using framework to now AI is extremely easy. Okay, how extremely easy that could be. So we are going to help you in our tutorials. We will be supporting guidance as well as you can also joining like a coding boot camps so that you can also take a better training accelerate your skill set in the PHP as well as the frameworks. And there will also be like a communities, our mentorship program during the times that you can ask our questions as well as your peers, which means the learners, as well you can ask us. We have a once Singapore trainers who have been 30s or over 30 years training, so he will be the best persons that you can ask questions as well inside the community. Last but not least, the bonus is the PHP. You can also create a different or dynamics website that what I've been before, forms for economies, also okay. And the best part is if you are going to like get a job or being employed, the range of salary is in Hong Kong is from 28,000 to 38,000 per month, which means that you are going to get a higher job opportunities or a higher salary, maybe just a maybe. I'm not quite sure how much you earn for this guy. However, if you are joining us, if you are going to be a PHP or a web developer or full stack developer, you can get a higher salary. And the part is, if you don't want to, don't want to get employed or want to do is like a free-time jobs, like freelance jobs or entrepreneurships or a startup, yes, we also do that. We can also help you with that. And the best part is we won't take you for 28,000. No. We don't even take you like 10,000. So we won't take you like 28,000. So don't worry about it. We will discuss about this on. And then inside these programs, you can also have some advanced knowledge, and then we can get a certifications. Once you finish the classes, attendance all the classes, you can get a one cert for attendance. And the second cert will be computation for the projects. So which means that in our program, we will be separated in the three parts. The first part is basic introductions, the language short training, and then the online training and the mentorship. Keep on working on the and then the last but not least is the project. Once the project is done, you can get the second certifications. So this is the format of the bootcamp. The first 2 days will be a short training from very beginning, and then the 20 weeks, the 12 weeks will be focusing on the online testing, online sessions, and then the last but not least is the project. So basically, we will be focusing on the basic first, and then what PHP can do, and then somehow we will be focusing on the online sessions from the framework, from the basics, from deployment, and then you can also work out with the project in the end. So that is what we can do in the PHP. So thank you very much, and I hope that could help you, all of you, to be a web full stack developer in the future.